Alright guys, so today we're gonna be showing you okay let's look closely. First of all, today we're gonna be actually yeah. So today guys we're gonna be seeing at Roblox in high school. How are people gonna react? I'm gonna be telling them like I'm gonna be freeze blade, I'm gonna be fire demon, and I'm gonna be KORBLOX. So soon today I will get the two what 20,000 Robux from today. But first of all, we're gonna be playing Roblox in high school. So what's the point, right? We're gonna be seeing with people how do they react. I'm gonna be like, KORBLOX is coming. Oh my gosh! Like you're just gonna see. Enjoy the video. First of all, okay. So what we're gonna do is open Roblox in high school. First of all, we're gonna be opening Roblox in high school and grab my mouse and let's get on play. Yeah. So I'm sitting right now. Let's start playing. Let's start. Let me put the mouse here. Perfect. Let's play. So we're gonna be like, KORBLOX is coming, guys, and I'm gonna be confused. Like, get it? Like, okay. So if you don't want to make the mess here around, yeah. Senior. Okay, we're seniors. So, oh guys, let me tell you a fact about this game. Every single thing here is like, look, guys. So just to tell you, this is how I look, a superhero and everything. Now, I'm gonna be dressing up like this. I'll go to my avatar, and okay, we let everything load up. Everything is not loaded up yet. Every single dude at the game is black. I mean gray. So let's try to mill. Okay, it's incredibly weird because did I just lost connection to the game? Oh well. We always try. We always try. As us, we always try. Let's complete. Okay, so we're back, but hopefully we're not gonna be kicked out again. Let's see here. Let's move. Okay, we. Okay, cool. We're here. Okay, let's start. Um, guys, what? Okay, KORBLOX is coming. Let's see what are their reaction. KORBLOX and the fire demon. Okay, cool. He didn't get it. And fire demon will come. Okay, KORBLOX and fire demon will come. Did he get it? Finally. Okay, he's like, let's be, I guess KORBLOX. Let's be KORBLOX. Yeah, sure. Let's, let's be like, okay. Let's be like, I will kill all of you. I will kill all these people in series. Oh yes, I can. Oh yes. Oh yes, I can. Let's be this guy first. Just fire demon. Got science lab. Yes. Fire demon is here. Demon is here. Daddy's home. Nobody believes me. Let's go to the hang blenders. Let's go here and let's pretty just let's get this and jump. We will cool. Now if we just keep now hey if we just kept flying like this it will be better. Okay, so we're very high in the sky. Get it? Very high in the sky. Let's go real quick. We need to speed up. Launch! I love lunch. Okay, we freeze. Wait. Nope, no stopping. Yeah, just weird. Okay, so we're back, and we didn't very much find anything, so we cut all of this. I'm going to be the principal. Okay, I think I can. Okay, guys, so I think, guys, they made fun of me and everything, but this is not enough. We need to be more. By the way, okay, guys, so that's okay. So, guys, that's that's pretty much all for today. That's pretty much all for today. And wait, I want to show you something, guys. Before this video ends, let me show you something, guys. I'm gonna be having like game room and stuff.